Wildlife animal removal North Palm Beach. Seeing your trash all over the place every morning? To wildlife, your trash bins are a tantalizing treat. Our team is standing by to answer your critter hotline. Call AAAC Wildlife Removal. Rely on our team to be there as scheduled and ready to serve. We'll take any step necessary to deal with the culprits. We'll show you how the wildlife is gaining access and provide a plan to stop them. Bask in the joy of a mess-free morning every day. You'll want to spread the word about our outstanding services. AAAC Wildlife Removal, Palm Beaches 561-515-0201 https://palm-beaches.aacwildliferemoval.com/ 4440 PGA Boulevard, Suite 600, Palm Beach, FL 33410.